Today, we embark on a journey into the world of billionaire investor Jim Simons, as we unveil his top 5 stocks that have been creating a buzz in the market. If you're not familiar with him, Simons is the mastermind behind Renaissance Technologies, a hedge fund that has achieved mind-boggling returns, averaging over 30% annually for more than 2 decades. So, sit back and get ready to delve into the intriguing world of Jim Simons' top stock picks that are capturing his attention right now. Stock number 1, Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk is undoubtedly a star player in Jim Simons' portfolio, and it's easy to see why this global healthcare company has caught the attention of Renaissance Technologies and other smart money investors. With a staggering $1.7 billion allocated to this stock and holding a remarkable 10.8 million shares, Renaissance Technologies' confidence in Novo Nordisk is striking. But what's driving this unwavering interest in the company? Novo Nordisk's impressive performance in the healthcare sector speaks for itself. As the largest holding in Simons' portfolio, the company has been making significant waves. In its Q1 financial report, Novo Nordisk showcased a remarkable 27% year-over-year increase in revenue, totaling a whopping 53.37 billion Danish krones, with substantial GAAP earnings of 8.78 billion. Beyond Renaissance Technologies, a total of 41 hedge funds were long on Novo Nordisk, signifying that Jim Simons is not alone in placing bets on this healthcare giant. The Artesian Global Opportunities Fund, in its Q4 2022 investor letter, highlighted Novo Nordisk's robust position in the diabetes market. Additionally, they drew attention to the company's groundbreaking offering, Wegovy, which has the potential to capture a significant share of the obesity market. With sales growth of 75% in the obesity segment alone, Novo Nordisk is undoubtedly well-positioned to capitalize on this massive opportunity. As a global powerhouse engaged in research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of pharmaceutical products, Novo Nordisk has secured its place as a top contender in the healthcare sector. Stock number 2, Amazon. Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth, takes a prominent place in Jim Simons' playbook, and it's no wonder why. Renaissance Technologies has invested a staggering $929.7 million in the company, holding 9 million shares, a clear testament to their unwavering confidence in the online giant. What makes Amazon such an attractive pick for Simons' investment strategy? One major factor is the exponential growth of its cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, Oz. Oz has announced plans to invest approximately $12.7 billion to expand its cloud infrastructure in India, catering to the surging demand for cloud services in the country. This significant investment is expected to make a remarkable impact on India's GDP, contributing $23.3 billion by 2030, and generating around 131,000 jobs annually. This kind of vision and commitment to expansion speaks volumes about Amazon's potential for long-term growth. Despite recent concerns about a slowdown at AWS and uncertainties regarding the impact of artificial intelligence adoption, Loop Capital analyst Rob Sanderson maintains a buy rating and a price target of $140 on Amazon. Sanderson is confident that the slowdown is temporary and that cost reduction initiatives will trigger a bounce back. Jim Simons is not alone in his optimistic outlook for Amazon. A whopping 240 hedge funds had bullish positions on the company, highlighting widespread confidence in its potential. One notable stakeholder is Harris Associates, a prominent player in the market. Their Q1 2023 investment letter expressed strong confidence in Amazon, stating that the company's long-term growth potential and competitive advantages were underestimated when its market cap was below $1 trillion. Harris Associates views acquiring Amazon at a discounted valuation as a unique opportunity for long-term investment. Stock number 3, Gilead. Gilead Sciences, a biopharmaceutical powerhouse that has earned a prominent place in Jim Simons' portfolio. With a stake value of over $878 million and holding a substantial 10.5 million shares in the company, Simons' fund has shown significant confidence in Gilead Sciences. So, what's driving Jim Simons' interest in Gilead Sciences? One compelling factor is the company's dedication to addressing unmet medical needs through the development and commercialization of innovative medicines. With a strong focus on virology and an expanding oncology portfolio, Gilead Sciences stands at the forefront of medical advancements, making it an attractive prospect for long-term growth. Piper Sandler analyst Joseph Catanzaro also seems to share the same sentiment. On April 28, he initiated coverage of Gilead Sciences with an overweight rating and a price target of $105. Catanzaro emphasized the strength of Gilead's virology commercial business and the growing appeal of its oncology offerings, highlighting the company's solid performance in the first quarter. Gilead Sciences' potential isn't limited to Jim Simons' radar. Other savvy investors are also taking notice. The database reveals that 64 hedge funds were bullish on Gilead Sciences, up from 56 funds in the previous quarter. Notably, Marshall Wace LLP holds 4.4 million shares valued at $380.3 million, underlining Gilead's appeal among prominent investors. Further insight from Ariel Global Strategies' investment letter sheds light on positive data from a study evaluating Trodelvy versus comparative chemotherapy in patients with metastatic breast cancer. The findings have increased investor confidence in the drug's potential for broader approvals in breast cancer treatments, adding to Gilead Sciences' allure. Stock number 4, Tesla. Jim Simons' hedge fund has shown tremendous faith in Tesla, holding a substantial 4 million shares valued at a whopping $835 million. This significant investment speaks volumes about Simons' conviction in the company's potential. On May 2, Piper Sandler reiterated an overweight rating on Tesla, with an adjusted price target of $280, down from $300. The analyst carefully considered the impact of price reductions on margins and made necessary adjustments to their estimates for 2023 through 2025. Despite these adjustments, the overall outlook for Tesla remains optimistic. But Jim Simons is not the only savvy investor who sees the spark in Tesla. A total of 91 hedge funds were long on Tesla in the fourth quarter, up from 88 funds in the previous quarter. One notable stakeholder in Tesla is the Citadel Investment Group, led by the legendary investor Ken Griffin, which holds a substantial 7.5 million shares valued at an impressive $926.2 million. Barron Opportunity Funds, in their Q1 2023 letter, highlighted Tesla's remarkable rebound in the stock market, driven by investor expectations of continued growth in vehicle deliveries and solid gross and operating margins. They emphasized Tesla's long-term vision and the wide range of innovations showcased during the company's Investor Day event. Tesla's potential impact goes far beyond the stock market. With a focus on sustainable energy solutions and a massive untapped market for commercial stationary electric storage, Tesla's influence is far from exhausted. The company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation and its role in the growing electric vehicle and renewable energy industries make it a compelling choice for investors seeking to ride the wave of sustainable technology. And finally, stock number 5, Airbnb. Once again, Renaissance Technologies' Simons says hedge fund is showing immense faith in this innovative platform, holding an impressive 6.05 million shares of Airbnb valued at over $753 million. Clearly, Simons recognizes the disruptive potential of this company and its impact on the travel industry. Recent developments at Airbnb have been nothing short of impressive. In their Q1 results, Airbnb exceeded Wall Street estimates, boasting a GAAP EPS of 18 cents and revenue of $1.82 billion. The company also authorized a new share repurchase plan, allowing for the buyback of up to $2.5 billion worth of Class A common stock. These financial achievements highlight Airbnb's resilience and continued growth in the travel market. While key bank analyst Justin Patterson maintained an overweight rating on Airbnb, he did adjust the price target to $135. While acknowledging the company's satisfactory Q1 performance, concerns have been raised by some investors regarding the Q2 guidance. It's important to keep a close eye on how Airbnb navigates the evolving travel landscape. But Jim Simons is not alone in seeing the potential in Airbnb. Many other hedge funds also recognize the value of this platform. According to the database, 54 hedge funds were long on Airbnb, slightly down from 58 funds in the previous quarter. One notable stakeholder in Airbnb is Two Sigma Advisors, demonstrating their confidence in the platform's future. According to Artesian Developing World Fund's Q1 2023 letter, Airbnb was one of the top contributors to their performance. Airbnb's resilience in the travel category, especially in long-term stays, combined with cost optimization and revenue increases, propelled the company forward. Their top 4 holdings, including Airbnb, saw an average increase of 64.42% during the quarter, indicating the strength of Airbnb's business model. Thank you for joining us on Stock Marketpedia, your go-to channel for all things related to the stock market and investing. We hope you found today's video insightful and empowering. Remember, we're here to provide you with regular updates and valuable content, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest market trends, investment strategies, and expert tips that can help you achieve your financial goals. We value your feedback and input, so please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. Is there a specific topic or stock you'd like us to cover in our future videos? Let us know, and we'll make it happen. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep honing your financial acumen, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to financial success. Stay tuned to Stock Marketpedia, where the world of stocks comes alive.